Come on, nigga.
What's the call?
What's the call?
What's the call?
Tell them, Poison.
Poison.
What's happening?
Come with us as we take a small road trip just for control.
Elaborate.
Just for control.
Don't be easy on them.
No, man. No, man.
Stop it.
No, I'm not comments, bro.
Comment.
No comments, my guy.
Yep.
Yes.
We ain't it.
Gibo.
The flu.
Buhlungu kanjani?
Yeah, no, like I think I should go back. Look, man, I think I should go back. Hey, listen. The boy. Yeah, guys. Touchdown with the boys. Super cool. If you don't know what's happening, we already started, boy. Today is gonna be a fucking beautiful day. Still early. Shouldn't trip about it. We still like the day is still young. Very, very, very young. Hey, yeah. Hi, Shituan. I'm already. Angin. Come on. Ni apa? Eh? Should I go back down? Yo. This time was keep. He was trying to find peace. Pensei pick-up, man. Ang flag ko siya kanilo. Ang flag sila pa put sa power bank. Marang kabag na ito. Sister, titir malin, 80 rani power bank. Come on, 80 rani. Man. Okay. I don't even know what like it. Mga beses ni bang MC na kaya share it to MC man. MC kubulo ituzi yake hapa. Cards ka flu. Yeah, guys, so like now we're gonna go to the pharmacy. This is the pharmacy, boy. Chemist. We see. Aye. Então, implicando. Oh, la pe front, velho. Já tinha bugue na minha calinha bugue conche. My medicine. For sure it's that's minang yang chiga sa kawa, man. Serious. Hit a punch. And then like I hope no one will judge me. Minang shy chila, suti. Yeah. Finally, does your parents know, Mari? The things that you do, does your parents know, Pete? Tell me. That's white.
The chicken.
White chicken. White chicken.
This is not always the solution.
Actually, I wanted. Yeah. Chili, tomato or chili? None.
Don't do sauces. I'm already the sauce. Why should I do sauces?
You don't do sauces for real? Let me try this here. Just on this side.
Okay, Shop Carbonate.
Yeah. Look, yeah.
Life is really short. You know, I might be speaking for the last time today. You'll never know.
You never know.
But so each and every day, I'm fit. Before
you lift it with your chest, Poison.
Solid, man. Solid advice.
Sandy the Poison.
Yeah.
What's the way? You didn't say anything today. Mlaba.
Shout out, my man.
The coolest driver ever.
Usibongela amehlo mara yathi. Usibongela amehlo.
Nguwe lo.
Boys
ngene ngale noma ngapha. Oh. Sekasi lakho wa.
Semtoni.
Emtoni.
Yeah.
Wena nithume ngani emtoni?
Hawu angidumanga.
Ngani emtoni?
Angidumanga ngalutho.
What's the culture emtoni?
Ayifambeni.
Khuthe icile.
Ayifambeni.
Stop ngingasikhathi sakhona.
I'm restless by someone. They follow me. Before this weekend come, yes. Say thank you. It's to say,
wena ufuna ukuhamba nami ngiqhomela musi. Kala sicela no payment ma-supervisor semashara.
Kela ama-supervisor semashara acela no payment.
Kala ama-supervisor semashara plaza
Scela no payment.
Unelulaki la. Sicela no payment ma-supervisor semashara plaza. Unelulaki.
Yadala.
Siyadala.
Alpha Delta.
Baba ngiyabuya la people.
Utshela ulaki ukuthi siyandlula ne?
High five flames ube mnandi. Hola mama.
Buyi to sebenza nami.
Location, my guys.
Yo.
Where we at?
JP.
Yeah. Mangiphethe izami ngitshela mngani wami asidlali sayifuna le mani. Mawugoloza sizamela iplan. Phethe amabhiso ucathi ngubani. Hey, ucathi ngubani. You running the city ngelikhulu ithubani. Akubuye bobusha bafana sithubani. Mangabuya sonke yezambusa thalo netafu lekuncane yangeke sithathana. Phethe cancela sesenza amafilimu. Mastropa abakhetha ama-feelings. Sina sintwana isithopo kwesilini. Sesithopo kwesilini. Njalo masivele sesenza ama-feeling. Data senginawe ngiyabona bathukile. Bethole sengekho enhleke seyisukile.
Johannesburg baba.
Back in the kitchen, you already know. They give me dead in my heart getting cold. If I'm with my dogs, you don't want any smoke. Came in their house, but they not even toast. You're ruining my image, you can't even post. I'm telling a man, in your cool and your rose. Jalo ngashana, you mini lip gloss. Man, pete te stangega lunga recross. They wonder why we together. Speaking of Jesus, singing and Bella. We getting better and better. Speaking of Kini and Sena and Beza. Inkinga ngempela mina uyacava ngakufela ngempela ntwana ngizokuthinta ungayicimi nempela ngoba mangifona so ringa ngechera nje sule ngoku-apply i-pressure spanica law i-volt i-treasure we got the drive you can find in the Tesla so siyayipheli ishezi i-extra bachoka ngiyidenja mina ngiyaluma bangibiza nangenja khansi lomnyama disabo somdenja thina amasifika nedemu sayichenja.
That's why I'm going to try to teach you, boys. You understand?
Good check, my guy. The drip check got a check on it.
Yeah.
The drip check
got a check on it.
check on it.
We are checking the drip and the drip got a check.
What the fuck?
I understand.
That's a level.
Hey,
man.
you spend a check.
To get the check.
Check.
Because you have to get more of the check.
Because we're doing a drip check.
Uh-huh.
You paid a check to get the check. And now we're doing a drip check. You
For the
understand?
check.
Yeah.
To get the check, man.
And whoever who's with you got a check.
Yo.
Yeah, this is the one. Hey, the album le
What you want?
Nah, that Miss Country. This is the best album aka for me. It's the best ever, boys. Ever, boys. You Miss Country.
Levels.
I don't know. I know this
No.
one. Mara, do you know this one, young? Hey, this one is too much.
Levels.
Levels.
Levels number one.
I was not a fan back then. Yeah, I was not a fan back then.
Tip dope.
Yeah, one my guy vlog my guy vlog
God bring me back and still dope.
Yeah, my like this thing is happening. I'll document everything. Salajan. Exactly. JHP. Ish, I'm pitching number 2, and I'm wishing we find a garage. Yeah, driver man, what's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? No. You have to figure it out, boys. You have to figure it out. Ish, I'm funny garage, I'm funny number 2.
Friday Young is 25.
Ish, I don't wanna say it, boys. Issue. Complete the line. Oh, tell us why. I think so again, so I won't make any delay. I just super silent. You know it's your boy DNK, you know how we doing it. We out here. Hey, don't give a fuck, my nigga. You know I got a Chappelle. I am a star young nigga, ain't even tryna be better. They no big cut, my nigga, as long as they can get together. We got it up, young nigga. You still looking for the letter. I'm like, what's up, my nigga? You ain't even knowing what's matter. Many men tryna trip. I gotta keep it easy. I gotta fit the dream. There's plenty abilities. I'm at the hot, my nigga. If you ever tryna reach, I'm saying too much, nigga. You might think I'm tryna preach. Let's get the dollar, nigga. Fuck the fucking opposite. Yeah, I'm that nigga rapping like you think I'm packing shit. I'm one of a kind, that's why I don't give a fuck. If I show you my scars, they could make a nigga cry. Ayy, never say God, that's why I'm going too hard. Ayy, from where I'm from, they know what do it for us. Ayy, from where I'm from, they know what do it for love. Ayy, a couple years me and the film wasn't getting shit. After a few years, I feel like now we getting everything. After a few years, I feel like now we getting hell of it. Right now it's nice to live. Take off the bandages, stabbing for edges, rapping the prophecy. 2033, White House on the hills. You can't be stopping me, can't even limit me.
If guys we have time, don't talk come head free. Head free Pretoria. Baba Lea, he capital city, mind you.
Mina magama esiZulu. Hayi Derek ngimthala kakhulu. Hey, job boys. Shunga ku up my kid. We here, boy. And I come she self-esteem, like I'm not for that, and I'm money my part. And I can't shift everything. I'm cheated to my crib. Give a look to Uti like they should say, yeah.
Man, come back. Hola.
I don't know what caused this shandy. She would sing it out of weight in faith. Like whenever I'm trying to do this shit, like I'm just fucking out of weight, man. I don't know what to say. But at the same time, there's a lot in my head. There's plenty inside my head. I just don't know what to say right now. I understand me. It's a situation that I'm facing right now. I just want to say a lot of things, but I don't know what to. How am I gonna say them? That's the problem right now. But I'm with the boys. In it, report, yeah. Let me flip. This is the shit. This is the dream. For a resident, I say my share. My call to go to my residence.
Last ex slow motion slow motion
Spanish on my Instagram nan for video. Yeah. Hey, this guy, why is he so tall? What the F is up? Yeah, that's cold, man. Cold reef. It's too cold.
No more things.
Yeah, cold, man. Cold, city of cold poison. Atholakala va poison.
No, stop it.
No, you don't know. Map or what is it? The guide. Here's how. Step 1, scan QR code. Select ticket category. What's our category? We don't even. What's our category? Don't even know. Melu scan. Una relation is you scan.
If you book your tickets online, here's how. Step 1, scan QR code or visit. Step 2, ticket category. Select date, select ticket quantity. Go to second card.
If you haven't booked a ticket, please, our tickets are sold online. You need to buy your tickets.
Online, yeah. Mara, you don't think you have to scan these shandies first?
No, because it's reference number.
Una, the reference now.
No.
Oh, alright. Then like it's not business.
Everything is alright.
Complicado, Lutalo.
What's up, my tickets? What's where are the tickets now?
Is it that one?
Yeah.
Karamai man. What stuff? What stuff?
My tickets were sold out, bro.
The PK18.
Gold Reef. That's for the culture, crazy. Online, good. Online tickets available here. Yeah, you are.
Let's move on to reference Y2.
Down. No go tell viewing ali.
Always at the city, I'm Zai.
Size age. Ish mara the influence man, why is he here? The influence is the power, is the base of this shandy. The substance.
Which substance?
The thing that we consume. What we've been consuming from where we stop. Beverage.
That's the alcohol.
Yeah.
What's no one up back to pass?
I'm gonna bag you can I have a bag. Hey, would they wanna search this shandies? Let me take off my Zaza poison because I just have to. I do have a bag. It doesn't bag me. Oh. Nice. Let me point it this side.
Yeah? No, you lie. Yeah.
Call Banky and this. Martin, smart up for now. Funga cool.
Alakuya muntu one uyobuya nemathikithi. Asimengala eceleni. Kanjani?
Martin, what the fuck? I don't know, but I'm here. Still boys, still Chillax. Not now. Relax, man. Not now. Yeah. Marawan nga you'll be the main character of this Shandies. I don't know. I think you'll be the main character.
Deep loyal. Oh,
We keep a Shandies name. Roller coaster. Do they call it that?
ngomthetho mina angifuni ukugibela.
Nothing. Then why you here, boy?
Eh?
Why you are here?
Nokukhona ngizokugibela mara lokuya
Ufuna kugibela in.
ngobona phambili.
Sangi heart attack, man.
Ufuna kugibela in, poison. Don't be quiet.
Hayi.
Don't be quiet. Ufuna kugibela in.
Say you don't remember.
Are you tired? If it's ufuna kugibela. Abekho bafati lapho ticket. Okay, when ujule ngani? Why you here? Ujule ngani? Why you here?
Right.
Alright. Dilizi ufuna kugibela bafati, not these things esigibela la. What a harsh comment.
It's not a harsh one.
It's a sensitive one. You relate. Come on.
No comment, my guy.
Oh, no one. Trust no one. Hey, don't trust none. Well, you're with that shit. Trust none. Trust none. Amara like cover. Trust none is harder than acid. Not acid is popular.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just good thing that developer will become developer.
Mara trust none is harder than.
Yeah. That's my second number. Let's two. Like trust nine.
Alsafla. Eish, like a she's a come. Yeah. It was already too late. Nah, I understand. Three late, four late. One about it, boys.
All late, man.
That guys are running away from the camera.
So the mic on.
Yeah,
the mic is
You
on.
can take it. You wanna take it? Bambale magnet. Okay, shall I trip check again? Tell us, Kuti.
No,
What's the inspiration of the outfit? Tell us. Inspiration of the outfit.
So we're too tabi. Namuhla support the
You
Chiefs.
can start from the head, t-shirt, all the way down.
Ngiyibona le.
What's the inspiration?
No, itabi support itabi Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Isitoko hayi Mr Price nabona nami.
Yeah.
It's a man walk.
Yeah.
I-t-shirt ikhosi,
Yeah.
ijini Mr Price, iteki Mr Price abafethu kuphelela just asinako ukuningi just
But I don't
ukubonga.
trust you, Mr. Price.
Yeah?
Ah,
Ile nto bengingayifuni leyo. Ngoba mamela ngoba manje nawusola lapho uyongibuza price. No, okay, it's a Walkman, yabo.
yeah.
It's a SPCC.
How much did you lose?
Yeah? No, it's 6 grand out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, i-t-shirt, ikapa, it's 1.2.
Yeah.
Ijini,
Yeah.
SPCC, 1.7. Itegi, 1.9.
I know. Thank you. That's not enough.
Yeah, ijalo bafethu.
Send it again. I'm coming.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Nah, I can fit us. Shy man, this is shy trip check.
Tell us the trip.
Tell us the trip. Tell us the trip, Baba. What are you wearing, Baba? Yeah.
First things first, man. You gotta start from the head.
What else you want?
How did you I got this shit, Mr. Price. The shades. They're from my
Do you want
bitch.
to elaborate maybe a little
No.
bit more?
No, man.
Like, just like Mr. Steve today. Like,
The prizes.
Walk us through.
The prizes.
Yeah.
I don't check the price. I like what I like.
You swipe.
I like what I like.
Yeah.
All you
I don't
want-
check
all you
the
do is
price.
swipe. All you do is swipe. Yeah, okay.
The shades I got it from my bitch.
Hey, Joe. Priceless. Hitling. That's it.
Let's talk about the tea.
Yeah. Walk
The
us
tea.
through. Yeah.
You can see, man. I got the check.
Hey, Joe.
You know why?
Before I do the trip check,
You know why?
already got the check.
You know why?
Hey, yeah.
Because I was listening to Smamizi. And I said I need a check. However, it's up the level. It's up the level. It's up the level. The pants, my guy. Exclusive Sundays. I forgot the name of the song. I just can keep that shit.
No.
Well, fuck on. Okay. Let me see. Oh, it was Mr. P.
Yeah.
Mr. P. You know why?
Yeah.
Pushing P. P. Pinky Pata. Okay, my little cool cat.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about my kicks. Kick game. You know what I'm saying? Young boy bitches.
Yeah.
Walking Nike on my feet. I'm just doing it. That can show no fuck.
I don't know the line, boys, but I fuck with that guy.
You know,
Big time.
big time.
Do you want to do the two check, man?
I know.
Do you want to do the two check, man? Let's do the Sundays. Mara, if guys.
Walking Nike on my feet, girl, I'm just doing it.
Nah, it's not cocky and stuff. Let's go. Let's take it to Lumtana. 1817. Plug the Sundays.
Lumtala, cool. Big up Lumtala, Trent content. Highway. Far Lumtala.
There. On the language.
Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck? First of all, drip check.
How do you feel? First of all,
Go drip siki.
how much?
Angikugibela mara ngiyoba phakathi.
How much?
I don't care. Doesn't matter.
3,
The-
4. How much?
Doesn't matter.
What can you?
You know what matters most? It's the experience.
I'll put it on the video. I'll put it on the video. I know the price.
Okay, what do I have? I have Converse.
Starting from here. Oh, you want us to start here?
Let's start here. It's Kukuwe.
Okay.
Okay, I have a Converse All Star. You know the new ones. Converse. I have a denim jeans. Doesn't matter where I bought it. What do you call this? Knitted T-shirt. I'm all good, crazy, prescribed glasses, nice hat.
Yeah.
We are killing them, son.
One of the wines.
Ah, bon. Look at this one.
You don't want to put the price in.
Yeah, there's no need for pricing. Yabon. Yeah. But it's a again. Okay, at this point now, my call. So back to the event that in the top of the sun. Oh. Hey, don't see.
Let's go.
Come back. Hey, Baba.
Okay. Tell me. What am I here for, boys? I don't understand. What's the question? From where? From the bottom or to the top? From where? Okay, alright. The top, this Chinese poison. I don't have to say much. It's red back. This one, alien feet poison. It's too much. Alien feet poison. It's not the regular one. You understand? And then this one is for the gents. The poison. For the culture, for the Kasi culture. The keys to all my money and all that. You understand? I don't know if I should go here, but let me skip that. Because like it's also I don't want to even touch prices. Like money did. Okay, so like the pants, it's Mr. Price. The kicks I don't want to talk, boys. Exclusive. But I don't even know how did I get this. You might think it's nepotism or some type of shit. I don't know how I got this. But then like out of 10, what do you say?
10 minus nothing.
10 minus nothing. That's the big boys. Yeah. Okay, we here. I hope I'm not boring some people like that because like this is what I'm here for, you understand? Because man, this is what I'm here for, content, crazy. Nothing else. If I'm not doing content, then like should have stayed home. I have these pants, but I can't wear them because it's a mashara. These ones. Because it's level 7. Snap over here. Mara, is it the look fine? Is it fine? Are you sure?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hey, poison. Okay. But anyway, we here, poison. So like, what's the inspiration? I understand. We can't. We come from a very, very, very long, from a very hidden place. A lot of people are not even aware of where we're from, poison. But we're here. We had to go out, and now we're here. So like, what's the deal? I don't know. You can ask me. You can ask. Oh yeah. That's the problem. You're gonna leave me behind. Unless we're all going here. Yeah, don't leave me behind. Don't leave me behind. Yeah, don't leave me behind. Sandy, do you wanna take off? You wanna take off? Okay, should I? You wanna take off? Okay. I told you what's the same. Hey, when I'm fishing, I don't even move. Picky past. Let me put. This thing is heavy, dog. Say, I am a vlogger, John, cause like, vlog one by the camera, so one English and this. PC push, first thing first, PC push. Ohala, PC push. PC push. Ohala, PC push. PC push. PC push. Aksabonakal next ne. QYP. Okay. Yabonakal. Yeah. What do you know? Yeah. I don't have slash. Okay. King YP. Yeah, still gonna be Mama Praise gonna push on my keep and the speaker is Sheila Paya. Damn. Mara so Shaya Gulo. Hello. So Shaya Gu. Who next vehicle? Who next vehicle, man? Yeah, next vehicle. My. But now we here, what is it? Now we here, Skachahi Luto.
Right here, right now.
Chinga Cool. Pishy Pash. Word of the day, Pishy Pash. Nope. Me. Oh. Voila. Hey, this thing. Yeah? Any questions? Any questions? How much is the sword? Agu?
Yes, no, I'm not so currently right now.
Oh, yes, Colonel Peace, yeah?
Yeah, make you champion.
Any questions so far?
No.
No questions? How do you feel? Okay, I'm gonna interview. Instead of you interviewing me, I'm gonna interview you.
And nigga, how do you feel that we're in here?
I don't feel nothing. My whole body now, I can only feel when I touch my hair and my toes. Like if I move them, I feel like
ready for this Anaconda ride?
I'm not sure. Last time I came here, they didn't allow me to go there. Understand?
Why? Because you were too young to qualify.
I was too broke to qualify. But now the bag is a little bit up. Yeah,
my guy.
not there, but like same me there. I understand. Almost there, but it's not there.
Okay, it's a small yana chain, but
Yeah, I understand. We're getting there, boys. Nothing much. No hard feelings.
so much is there.
Can we?
Where?
Can we? Buy jump about la bubuni.
No. Somebody now, but more.
When I dollar eat and I'll follow you. Okay, let's try. Should we try? I don't know. I don't know if we should try, boys. Pishe pass or halal. Hey, Tiliza, I'm going what the fuck? Also, very always. I've never been machine. Can't tell it. Hey, I had a man. Because, like, one thing I've noticed, like, hey, Fetty, if you ask any question, he's gonna be like, nah, chill, man. 18. No, imagine. And then I'm like, I don't understand. What's really up? Like, what's this? Last time I was like, I live in the show.
I was with one of the guys.
In the garage. So you wanna tell me, Gucci, this is the queue?
Yeah.
This is the queue.
This is the whole queue.
How long is it gonna take?
After each ride, it takes about 10 minutes.
Let's do it. Let's
to make sure that the ride is safe and all that.
Oh, let's do it like your mommy is dead. Let's wait.
Good luck, my guy. Good luck, my guy.
But like, you can just wave and be like,
Next thing, SAPS.
Ganja, with the wave. It's not like I'm gonna be starting white shit and all that. I understand. It's not like I'm gonna go after white girls and all that. Look at the brownies, boys. Look at the brownies. Look at this one. Hey, I'm inspired by the shirt.
No comments.
No comments. Il Vandal, am I? Down cool to pair and look good.
No,
Don't let me. Yeah, well, I'm going to be chasing out this too. And that's not what I'm trying to do, you understand?
Next thing.
And like, my still up is 0% here.
Anjan.
I don't know.
What gets past the country?
Yeah, Mazu. Cause like the people that I hang up with recently, like they won't get to my nerve like that. They won't go to like they would wanna fight with me and all that. So like grade 8. My last fight was grade 8. Wasn't grade 8, boys. Like that being one. Chaivan. I'm gonna Chaivan. But I'm not gonna put these cause like if Ayobugel, yeah, I'm gonna mute you. Because if Ayobugela is damn shit, boys. Hey, when they cut his by, they realize it's like the lingo. When my sister at the liquor shop. And I'm trying to mice it. Mara, should I go with it or should I mice it?
Go with it.
More same shit. The hands.
No, sithi kumele tilo tethu mate.
Yeah, manje sikhuluma. Lenzaba.
Uzomshaya.
Hayi kakhulu. Lesimo lengiso. Siqhayi.
Tough situation.
Too tough, boys. But like, should I flip? You don't want me to switch?
No, it's cool.
I can't be. Now, Bella, you have to.
Dude, man.
Now you have to, boys, because like, it's gonna be boring if solo bring me and stuff. You understand?
I don't have shit to say, guys.
Now you don't have questions. Also, I don't even have questions, but like, it's fine. Life is like that, boys. And some things that you need, you never get there.
The cheese, mother.
You never get too long, boys. And like, once you get on it, there's no way out. There's no way out.
In your Fumera, bro.
The lingo is
To the other side.
the lingo is also trying to run. But like, I'm trying to like keep it cool. Trying to keep it cool. Did you watch the other vloggers? Okay? Like, they have so many fan base. When they're doing stuff like this, there's gonna be people who will be like, hey, Ed Sheeran. But oh, it's not Ed Sheeran. It's what? Hot shot. HSN. Hey, boys, like, if I could bump to that guy, Maragafan, I mean, I'm King YP, man. I wouldn't give a fuck. I would just look at him and be like,
yo, what's up? Cool.
I won't even look. I won't even look. That's the problem. I understand. I won't even look.
Oh, yeah, move on, Joe.
Hey, man, life is not fair. Look this side. Why would you be like that? Why would you have such character? Okay, look. Look at the thumb that I raised.
Yeah, I understand what you should write.
Did you see?
Yeah.
It's bad business, boy.
Like,
Show it, ganyan.
just
Not ganyan, boy. Just what I care, boy. Like, this shit shouldn't be boring, you understand? People gotta see what's in Kulumanga.
I did share.
Oh, you did. But like, okay, how do you feel about that? The character, like the people that do that, like, how do you see them? No, boy, I don't want to go into details.
No.
I don't want to go into details. Okay, how would you feel if maybe like one of your siblings become like that?
Oh.
What are you on?
I mean, I was on the other agenda.
Which agenda? No, boys, what are you talking? I mean, I'm talking about this dumb shit, boys.
Okay, now
You understand what I'm talking about? No, you don't understand. Now I don't trust you. Yeah. You're cool. That's what I'm on. So like, how would you feel? Do you support that now? Do you support that? Okay, let's say maybe your kid become like that. Your own very child, would you support that now? Would you be a father to that kid? Yeah, boys. You know how Africans fix situations like this? It's either Pande or Swati, or you kick the fucking nigga out with like, except wait, get the fuck out. You will see, Gucci. You will see, Gucci, how you survive and all that. So like, it's either that or something else. I don't know.
It's crazy. Man.
How do you feel about it? Personally, not Gucci like it. How would you feel if you had a sibling who's like that? Like personally, the situation, how do you feel about it?
As long as my ass is not getting child, I don't give a fuck.
You don't care?
I don't care, man.
Mara is dumb shit. Man, I even feel like for other people,
But
who's like,
in the correct bimba group,
yeah.
also enter up B.
And we're like, ish, boys. And now you think, have you ever came across that? Do you know that guy? Ish, I don't want to. Yeah. I'm worried na secured. Mara nyawa send now.
Lethi buya lana kwesithuka
Angeke sibuye kwesithu boys like.
because uma vele sikhona khona kubone
Yeah, kuba ne grip ina PC part. Ay, ngeke le clip ibe perfect. Hey. Like realize bad.
bad kanjani.
Bad license.
The sunroof nka. The sunroof kangban.
Isayila boys.
Sunroof
Yango
kangban.
ish.
No cheese Lancome. That's the man.
Full sunroof kangbo.
Umzala.
Says it right. What's the code? Right. So rider. Chop of food. Chop of food. Chop of food. What's the family? What is the same family? KYP. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Sorry, man. I don't know. It flowed down one sheet. One sheet for you. One sheet. If it pass. Or halal. Now, when you never want to say anything.
Since starting a soulmate, some guy 20 now.
It's left,
10 minutes.
left,
20
right.
my soulmate.
It's fita, mama, fita.
Sister mama.
Huwag na po fita.
Ay. Nabusot.
Upsa, kabza. 1-1 o kanjani? Meron na 2. Are you sure? 2-2. Oh.
You not sleep on the gates.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Like, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you hop on the stage.
Been ready, boy.
It's called the Anaconda Ride.
Yeah.
So you're not riding.
We're not taking there.
You can't ride an anaconda.
Come on, boy. Think about it.
Think about it. You can't ride an anaconda.
Do you love yourself, man?
Unless
Hip the shandy.
you're here.
Hip the jeweler. Unless you're here. Hip the jeweler.
Hit the jeweler.
Paper, poison.
This shit is not cheap, my guy.
No, poison. You're not the one.
It's paper, but it's not cheap.
You're not. If you're not with us, you're not the one. One of ones. Fish a pot. Kabang business, poison. Kabang a great business idea right now. Yeah, kabang a great business idea right now. Check the view. A great business idea, poison. Ngime lang abong shangi mela pa ya to. Ngime like this. All these shiny poison. Ain't no cap, ain't no keys.
You wait for the gate to open.
Oh, and then you hop.
Then you turn.
Which side is that?
Okay. Inside.
We have figured out. Come over here. Does it close itself off? Oh. If phone is it allowed? I'm not sure. If only I wanted to do a video, is it fine? So I'm gonna edit that. Okay.
So make sure you know connection is.
Hey, Shmarata. About food.
Make sure you know.
You look kill. Long can I try? Hey, man. How am I sure you look kill? You look kill. Oh. Hey, because I don't want to die. Man. I'm still gonna have like a lot of money. I'm still gonna have a lot of money, so I don't want to die. What is it? Hey. Hey, boy, how do you feel? Hey, brother, this is bad. Who are they that you can job? Una shot lo filo, mare, dai. is not safe. Hey, nice back. No. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. No. No. I know, Poison. It's not the one. Yo, it's not the one, Poison. No. It's not the one. No more, Poison. Nah, fuck.
I thought I'm shaking.
Exhale. Nah, fuck, it's fine. No more, Poison. No more. Yeah, I'm like that. No. Eh? Out of 10? Nah, it's a 10, Mara, no more. No more. It's talking going down my cochran right now. It's I'm traumatized. Trauma the gag. I'm not okay, Poison. Yo, man, I'm gonna fool it. Hey, what's a twist up, Poison? Like, what the fuck? I feel like I took a puma, Poison. Nice bad business. Ain't going to be fool it up. Ain't going to be fool now, boy. Ain't going to be fool, Poison. Oh, I know, this is...
Which lines, left or right, or out?
Yeah?
Left or right?
I don't know, Poison.
Which line?
How was the experience? Focalistic. I know Focalistic. He's my cousin, you know. He's my cousin, you know. One ride. One ride and then like your credit. 350.
And first class catching.
I don't know. So pirates. I don't know. We don't go in there.
Yeah, see him I don't call him Bombay.
The stadium.
But FNB.
FNB Stadium. Where the money is at. Kanyan. Come with inside now. Yeah, this place is full of them. So this place is full of people. They make a lot of money, yeah.
Right, imagine.
And I'm always thinking business. They make the times these people pay. Imagine the price.
A lot.
Fisher Park. Oh, Al. Cheap, alright. Hello. Hey. Hey, Lama ice cream number is too much. I wouldn't buy that.
Whatever, man.
Some ship get that top. Depends about Salama. Down jail. Why you don't update me? There's about it. Let's see cloud. Yeah. Let's see cloud, boys. I want the cloud. PC part.
You have seen a little bit flash in this life.
Let's is your vlog. If you don't want a cameraman, someone you can pay always good to say when you just your job is to capture me.
Cool.
Jangan lupa kita loya ban lu hot shot. Une kamera kai. Kamera kai aking ban ngu Jeff. Jeff net them shoot up pair. Sponsor to shoot up pair.
Jeff. How do you?
Jeff hi.
My ears. They shine. My ears.
I don't know him.
The eyes.
Which one is that?
Hop on a jet.
Which one is that? Charlie?
Look at.
But.
Fuck with me, you get bad.
Hold proper.
Yeah. Okay? Yeah?
Slasia fish key. Bonk bang VCs. Yeah. No, you know that number?
No.
Lali G on that one. Go on Facebook. It's all the most used.
Yeah?
Slasia fish key.
That's all I eat the most views.
Yeah. On my official account. Some see guys talking. I don't know a club. I won't tell you. Is that? Yeah. Hey, when you're talking. Une GPS in your head. Une GPS in your head. It is Lime Sam Gillis. Abasiyeki. This 2x2. What's up?
This beach, my guy, it's Chai.
I can't never.
Chai.
Hey, Marongara Shekala is bad business, boy.
No, I bet business. Extra bet business.
Extra, boy.
I will try.
Spasi sa phone. No, let's do the call. Ay iPhone ba tayo? Mga 100 rand iPhone 17.
Don't mention.
So this thing's not easy, boys.
It's easy, man.
You just have to have the budget.
Yeah, it's not easy. PS5 for so long.
Ayip.
PS5 for so long.
We risk. I mean, I already have airports, so like, what's the risk? Show this guy.
Send feet on.
What's the height, boys?
What's the height?
It's an 8.5.
85.
Yeah, it's an 8. 8.5. Hmm?
Man.
I don't know. 5.5. It's bad.
It's bad.
How much is that?
Outside.
Outside, man.
Really outside.
Man, just one ride and then to a friend.
Yeah?
So now that you have to know, I'm gonna spend my whole day here.
Yeah.
I cover one thing, for I go in. I cover the for I go in. So if you have my so talk call. Trust me. Trust me, boy. Our trend, we're gonna share the royalties with you. Abasiyeki, ngibam service, umshaya KO. Any? I don't know. We're running 1 minute, this one is late, boy.
I don't mean I'm hesitate.
1 minute was enough. Now it's too sweet, sir. Too sweet.
I think we're done vlogging this shit, man. That's a wrap.
For now,
That's a
yeah.
wrap for now.
So, stay
On
my
to the next
man.
location. That's a wrap.
Yeah, you can close it. Step
What do you have to
something.
say, man?
Nothing, boys.
About the goal.
The day is long.
About the goal.
About the goal. Boys. Only one ride. I'm not satisfied, but like one thing I realized, like if you come here, you have to plan with here. You're gonna spend your whole day here.
the
Otherwise, the advice is that. Otherwise, you will complain and be like, you'll feel like they robbed you. Cause like if you come here, you have to spend the whole day. Otherwise, boys, don't come here at all. It's bad business. Bad for business, boy.
Okay, cool. Take your advice. On to the next location. Well,
There's a lot going on here.
Yo, hey, line zami, we don't need no company. Yo, think back tanda marga fan out tandwa it. Yo, if we stream my nyanya kan wa hlanganisa.
Bothi. Bothi lana konakalana na.
Kamai la sizodla. Nyama yenhloko.
Yeah.
Scope nyama yenhloko.
Yeah. Tell me next time, mara nangla pet sexing vile kuthi ngwami ngilambile mai. Ntanga, is this the life, man? Is this the life that you wanna live, boy?
yes.
Is this the life, boy? Ntanga kawati, pet. Is this the life, boy?
Yes, man.
No, it's not the one. It's not the one,
It's
boy.
not hurt a lot.
This is the life you chose, man.
Yeah. Do your parents know? Is your mama proud, man?
Umuntu nomuntu azikhethela, bro.
Ukuthi ufunani?
It's not a dialogue. Life
Yeah,
ayina
man.
manual.
Exactly. You
When
don't-
in a script ngabe siyakhona ukulandela sithi so.
Khamba so na so
Yeah,
na
manje
so.
so. They know.
They know what's up.
Umuntu nomuntu ekugcineni
Yeah.
uphila ngeenqumo zakhe.
Inja madoda.
Right off the thing.
Wero muntu nomuntu ekugcineni uyophila ngeenqumo zakhe. Da, fuck with that one. Fuck with that one. Ntanga. This thing is long, Excel. Long. Hey, lumtsala kakhulu. This is not the life I want, boys. This is bad. The first time on my mind. I don't even wanna like, I don't want them to carve with like what's the business guys. Because like I don't want them to know into like what am I go to like what's really happening. But we here, boy. King White King are cool. JHP. 2028 you're gonna be living here, boy. You're gonna be living the life here. So like this English thing is even trying to treat right now, but I'm trying to keep it, boy. You understand? Because I'm feeling cool with my spirit. Like that's not what I'm about. That's not what I'm about, boys. I think I can tell better than that. But we here. We here, look at. Yeah? Ah, I'm not saying 2 hours, I'm telling me. Ah, she's on John. Oh, what far? Ah, you're covering the lifesaver going. And then, Lana Pella, like I have to hold there. You can't bamba this and this. Yeah. But it's like some guys. Ah, boy, here. Bomb. Yeah. Is this the life, motherfucker? Is this what you chose?
We have a serious problem.
Someday.
Come on. So tenganda babayathatha niyambomba bayithatha no tenganda first of all ngiyangibambela lapha ngiyangibambela
La mali, binang
mini cash ang na vele on. Oh.
Say,
Say 24.
Say 24 the club.
It cover everything. Kabzam go my. Kabzam go my. Yeah. Ay maramaya na ko nagtuwele. Yeah.
Let's talk about this. Not past status.
Hey, yeah. I'm gonna send them right now. King of Cool, boy. 101. Exclusive. 101. Too slimy, boy. No, hey, wait a minute. It's like, it's not allowed to do that.
And then she was
Stem Lava. Why you so quiet, Baba? Son. We've got to go and he's all that.
Lava.
How much is already? 100 watts. 100 watts. Hey, let's watch it. What's the game? No. The kata, boy, just to clean it. I gotta eat the kata just to clean it, boy. What is the Ikusha? What is Ikusha? Yeah. I'm not used to smoke. I'm not used to smoke. Where are you coming from?
No, we mean like every day. Or we not smoke.
I'm trying to know where you're coming from.
like now.
Like your original place, like what your origin. Eastern Cape. Why are you here today? I just wanna know. Am I asking the right question? Taco rice, taco rice, taco rice. The government. Taco rice. Cheap. Where's that other guy? Hey, I'm not cash at all. I'm with the ones, boy. Look at this guy. For my mind, live, night. QYP, boy. You barely on the highest season. How much, guys? The camera is facing this side. Look. I'm not capturing. The camera is facing this side. Exactly. So I got the car. Come on, Taco Rice. Come on, I am pressed. Nah, boy. What's the word of the day, man? What's the word of the day?
No, word of the day.
Again.
Word of dedication.
Education. Exactly. Yeah. There's the mic. Should I pass the mic to you?
Word of the day, dedication.
Why are you here today?
Because he's overseeing and corner.
Kenny KYP, say shout out to Kenny KYP.
Kenny KYP, shout out.
No, it's fire, man. It's fire. For the likes. Life is too short, man. Make sure like you dollar everything that you finna do. Make sure you dollar the most, boy. Make sure you dollar the most, boy. It's very bad. How much? Red. Look dollar food. Red man. Oh, look dollar getting zoom. It's a new, like I say. This one that was sitting next to me, I had fire sheet, boys. Flying up. Yeah, man, you're in for it. You're for the life, man. You're for the life. What's the business, madam? What did you do, man? Hey, man, I'm inspired. This content shine, this is very hard, man. Hey! Come on! back umudo. Kwetele mtango right. Yako. Okay.
Abatimsha ipapa kuphela inyama njalo.
Man, cut me. Music wise marufusha njani dayami?
Siyamela.
I'm also an artist yaqaba neteke band all the way from MP.
Yeah.
Wala.
Ngiyashela vele mnandi.
Man. Lomzala. Say lomzala. Shaka beta man. Speed point just start. Keep back. They take tap. Hey, now I'm about you in my LED. Nah, this experience is bad. I think I'm going to
need the glass cover charge your power bank and stuff.
Saling up. Ni pasal po bang lihat po. Ni pada liu seksa lagi. Seksa lagi le boy ni. Oh. Campur rai. Ngai. Pura. Ya boleh kan? Ya boleh. Alright. Bad business. For the culture, boy.
Too tough.
Hey, Africa, Africa, Bonanga, Bona, Bona, la Pecona, la Pecona. Hey, Asi Bonanga, Asi Bona, Humade, la Fida, la Pecona. Hey, la Pecona. Yeah.
No.
This long, this long.
1 + 1 is 2.
Too bad, boy.
Oh, 1 + 1 is 2.
Yo, bro. When I just thought I've seen it all, I didn't realize I was in Maboning. How can you say I'm Maboning when I met Maboning, boy? And I've seen it all. And I've seen it all. Yeah. Not Chilla's punch.
What do you think I have in my car?
Why is that actually?
The Hennessy is inside the wheel.
Let's say cool as they want.
I saw a pool of it. Otherwise, it's time I can't.
Tell him something. Like something. Say my boy, boys. When you say laugh, boys, you say it. Tell us why you say it here.
Why?
And why you finna see him? And I see.
And I
see.
What's in my boy?
Okay, my boy. Yeah, who's why man got pay? Why you want pay? Why you want pay?
What's the word of the day, my guy?
The word of the day. Try it, Zabata, even when it's not sunny, boy. Why? I don't do this for the sun, boy. I do this for the culture.
Chiefs, yeah, many churches keep up on that.
Many quit. What?
One time.
Run around, I'm gon' get it what they playing. If it ain't nothing, she ain't what they paying. In the hood, I'm the plug like your snake is. Fuck around and fuck with us, boy, you gon' get hit. Run around, I'm gon' get it what they playing. If it ain't nothing, she ain't what they paying. In the hood, I'm the plug like your snake is. Fuck around and fuck with us, boy, you gon' get hit.
But we having it toasting, my bro, we are having it sound. We don't fuck with these hoes. Got your hoes in my DMs, sourcing by Zui, said they all surely know I'm the guy. I'm the one in a minute, I keep it 100. Y'all niggas were never my guys. All my brother done got you offended. We came from a bottom.
What's it? Mitanda wonka wantanda yo. I hope song gets so fanda woy. I'm fuluguba netwa. Angenge nya temba. Ngoba se nya bona nya zela. Tabu yang heta. It's not like nya zenza. Okay, I'll think kulumi finish. I don't know. What's up, boys? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. What's good?
Tell me what's the feat, boys?
What's the feat?
Starting from the top to the bottom. Tell me what's the feat. What's the inspiration for this feat?
Inspiration for this feat. Y'all heard of Duke Dennis, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where I steal my fits from. I ain't copying the nigga, I steal that shit.
Walk me through, my nigga. I see the Jesus piece. Walk me through.
Alright, bet. So we got the bandana on top, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
A little bit of the shades just to look, you know, sophisticated in a way.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Got the earrings real quick.
Check the eyes. Check the eyes. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, Jesus piece on the neck, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something light, nothing too serious. I got Cuban links though, but not today.
Not today.
Not today. A little black.
So like you don't want to be too specific. Like, can you give us the price? Maybe something like that. Prices. You can say this one is a gift, priceless. This one I got it from this much. You understand me?
I got you.
Yeah,
So I got this tea from like. Shit, I got a gatekeep though.
But don't gatekeep. We need a plug.
But Fede, I got this t-shirt from a little shop called Sheen. Check that shit out. It's pretty cheap. It's around what, like 150. I ain't doing bullshit, y'all.
Yeah.
It's for the streets, my boy. And then these pants, same shit. Got them off Sheen as well. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, young 250 on these.
Yeah.
And then I got some 23s, Jordan flights. I don't know what the fuck these are called, but they're called something. You know what I'm saying?
What's the price? Walk us through.
The price for the kicks were like 2.7 or some shit.
Damn.
Too serious.
Okay.
This is the full fit, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Just to wrap it up, the word of the day.
Word of the day. A man who's trying to conduct an orchestra has to first turn their back at the crowd. Remember that.
Damn.
Remember that.
Damn.
Hold on, can I say that again? I need to say that again.
Damn.
Y'all need to clock that shit.
Clock it.
A man who's trying to conduct an orchestra first needs to turn their back on the crowd. Remember that shit. Memorize that shit.
I'm gonna have to revise that, Charlie.
Yeah.
It just went this side and to this side.
The name is Arcane. Arcane on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, man. Arcane, man.
Shout out.
Except our first show. 2000. 10
KYP, you can.
Oh.
All the way from MP, boy.
I shall. I'm showing on my trip check. I'm what you call.
Okay. Starting from the top, ne?
Yeah.
To the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Red bed, nothing serious, boy. I got my pal, priceless. Trip check, red bed.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is
Yeah.
Okay, what do they call this? It's Nike poison.
Yeah, you're born.
About 1.8. Okay, I got just for the culture, just for the chance.
Yeah.
A little dickies. This one, Mr. Price. This one is Jordan poison.
Yeah.
Run from 3 point something. I don't know. Do the math poison. I don't know. But we here. Boy.
You really move like that.
I really move like that. Taco rise on the check. Taco.
What's the chip check, Baba?
What's the chip check?
Let's go. This year speed too much. Accelerate and leave that clutch. Yeah, I'm rocking fin, you nut. Cycle too small, in Julian at that. Yeah, fabric too heavy, I'm done. And I know where I get the work. Sabo well up, that's too bad. Then I'm a slam shop bullet. This year speed too much. Accelerate and leave that clutch. Yeah, I'm rocking fin, you nut. Cycle too small, in Julian at that. Yeah, fabric too heavy, I'm done. And I know where I get the work. Sabo well up, that's too bad. Then I'm a slam shop bullet.
Please comment, y'all. One me shooter, you're commenting at the very same time. I was in, and now it's the lifestyle. Come on, Ocham. Great, man.
Yeah, I say shoot that they are coming to my side.
Yes, that's what I see. I see the laugh. Who's the live? Nah, this the live, boys. This the live. No cap. I'm that. Come on. We getting there, boy. But we getting there, boys. We slowly getting there, boy.
Sikhulekile ekhaya. Ebukhosini basemapheleni. Sikhulekile ekhaya. Kosini, basemabhekeni. Sikhulekile. What kid bana? Sikhulekile.
How much is this one? You know what's what is this 2 for deal?
Dog, that's why they have a fucking QR code over there.
Okay. Lie to also. Yeah.
Wow. When you say ephini mngani.
Yabona lefuna ngifuna iqini. Hayi mara gent. Angavumi kushaya i-trip check. Hayi na akusayifuni. Akusayifuni.
I say expire the trip yet.
Say expire the trip. Is it not big? Why not incane? Is it big? Yeah. Like king I find as KFC.
Give me water again.
Eh.
Forgot they gave me the water.
I. Boy, this is the one. Boys, like, are you sure if like you are about this life is not good, man? Like,
yeah.
You have to be sure about it. What official boys? It's low, boys. It's low. Do you know the claw yourself on in Lemang? This is it.
That was fucking nice.
You need it.
Shake your body. Shake your body. Try to punch it cold. I also got some water in this pitch.
Water also?
Yes.
Water, it's water, coke.
No.
What's happening? Sprite?
No.
What's happening?
Sprite is cold.
Yeah.
Oh, you forward.
Yeah. Marah start.
Hey.
Camera am I cooking?
Wala,
Nyewa good.
Yeah, wala malakase ifuso kuyadzaba bafethu.
Bad. Forced.
Yeah.
They say this is forced, okay, gents. We are at forced, imagine, boy. We're at forced, boys. Think about it. Think it twice, boys.
Aye, Fosco, I sure.
Clock it, boy. We at forced, no. See, boy, malala. Yeah. What's the way, boys? Man, I'm proud of Galal.
I'm not about difficult to show the parking. That's the problem. I think maybe that's why I drove to that side.
Marabinit is now walk. I need to walk out go safe. I walk out.
Just checking on that.
I go safe.
I'm not going I'm not one person forced to have a puza.
Melo yellow. Look at this quantum.
If it's like this right now,
hey, December Bubanjan, Velela. December, do you stay this side or you go to MP?
I mean, you have a minute. It's like good vanillin. Yes, it's span Monday to Friday.
Yeah, weekend.
Then weekend it depends. You're trying to hang your
beach or something like that.
Yeah. What Jobia stream again? He's streaming. He's playing games. He's streaming.
Oh. Then go Twitch. Or YouTube.
Yeah, I think it's.
But Melum Chela guy, I told
you. It's got his equipment very cool.
I told the app, I presume you can stream with your phone. That was that didn't register in accounts. And then you connect like this shit can stream simultaneously.
Yes, ufake yabona uCasper ufake ujobe ku streaming. Casper was like, yeah, I'm challenging.
I don't know this channel.
Why? Casper what?
Casper is doing the games. I mean,
games. Ufake ujobe.
What's that game going?
What's it now? Let's stream.
Yeah.
Ashok Jobe, there was a challenge. Badlala. Casper by iloni account because he was hacking.
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty. Yes.
Yeah, that's the game.
Yes, you're playing Call of Duty.
Okay. But I'm going to empty this side. You can.
Not bad.
U10.
U10 somewhere. This side.
Is it not too far? Like the walking distance, or the car, is it safe?
Let me drive on.
Because like, hey, should fit. I just pray we see it all.
The reason why I bought a big camp fit is because of the adventure fits. I like doing crazy things.
Bam.
I like doing crazy things.
And I'm December buy a car.
Crazy.
It's one of my it's one of my like my check. It's on my checklist. Wish list. Yeah, they call it a wish list. December, if it happens, I'll buy a car.
Why did you bring me back here?
You said you want a parking point. Let's go back. Flo Ntanga, we need to buy cars, boys. I mean, I won't come here to JHP and night trans, and like now I'm just trying to finish your work. Let's get with peso.
When what do you do? Are you streaming?
I'm a rapper. My music is tough, cool. I'm even certified, boys. And I understand that I'm not ready to come here. I'm not yet ready to come here. But once I'm ready, 2028, 2027 or 2028, I'm gonna come here. And I'm gonna trans and all that shanies. And also chance here. It's not like I'm now machita. It's just that I'm not ready to come here.
You'll never be ready, like.
I understand that. It's just that I'm gonna beg. Understand? I'm fully dependent on Machita they flip. Machita akutuga now, dog. That's the reality, yeah. Machita kutuga now, poison. You can't depend on someone.
Why are you depending on them?
You understand? That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm fully dependent like anybody. When I come here, I'm gonna go YP. They hold me by myself.
Is it this side? I should be told that cars
every corner.
I'm not parking. You can't get parking. Yes.
Yeah, nice. But go to job. But when him job arise.
Oh, I'm job rip.
Oh dear. Get close to the ground.
Okay, it's fine. Mara ngiyovalicate lava.
Yo, you validate.
At least people avoid the gate ngoba bazophuma la.
Yeah, mara phuma. Even nalamba wale phuma.
Yeah, Suzuki, Polo Suzuki.
Hey, off-road food.
Rockstar life.
That's why I'm not. I always love this funny shit.
Ne.
Liya abantu abangayincane. Obuma fishing, obuma what?
Yeah, obuma hiking. Have you ever done that?
Walking with lions, I've done that with it as well.
Yeah, I saw on your TikTok. Man, I've never been. at the beach posing and like it's my worst failure in life. I'm very ashamed of that.
Why?
I've never been at the beach. It's very bad. How can you not, Baba? Ilwandle.
Shit.
What's this bit? Yeah, we good.
Slash ya fish key, walk bang VCs. Nang piggies, nang hishies. Nang cashies, nang titties. Sam delis, I was again. Ganram yellow, he's my best friend. Nigga, I'm saving, shy KO. I'm gonna get a slime like this. Nigga, a slime like this. Nigga, a slime like this. Nigga, a slime like this.